So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic phone frames for videos just by using Canva, and it's a total free process. You don't need to pay anything or get the Canva premium for the same. So just simply click on this option of elements right on the left window here. You need to search for frame. Hit frame, and under here scroll down, just simply check mark this frame option again right here, and when you scroll down you see this phone mockup device. Just simply drag and drop it to the video ratio can depend upon whatever your needs are. Now all you need to do is to just simply drag and drop whatever you want video you want in here. For example, if I go to uploads and if I find any video here, I can directly drag and drop it to this frame, and it will automatically fit it in inside. So it's a image I'm showing it to you for the sample, but you can use the same for the videos as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.